Welcome to the video on School Magica configuration settings. In this video, you will learn how to configure your school details to start using School Magica for first-time users. This video also shows how to take backup of your data and create users for offline School Magica. Enter the username. Enter the password. Then log in to view dashboard. You will receive a reminder to take backup, or you can just skip it. Click on Configure tab. Then click on School Info tab. Here you can add the school information details with the logo of your school and view the software key details and expiration date for the software. Then click on Settings. Click on General Settings tab. Set the setting for school pop-up reminders. Term type setting can be monthly or term depending upon how you receive fees in your school, financial year, curriculum board, medium, school category, academic session start month and date format for the school. Then click on Option Type Settings. Here you can set the expense type, document type, schoolhouse, school curriculum board, class group, school medium, and school diary sections. Here you can configure bulk SMS settings for sending SMS to students. Similarly, email settings can be done here. Then click on Other Fees. Here you can define all the fees that you receive from students other than tuition fees. For example, admission fee, library fee, etc. Items to issue. Any items that are issued to students or teachers are defined here. Biometric device settings. If you want to use a biometric device for student and staff attendance, then the device configuration can be done here. Payroll setup. Here you can define the standard deductions to be done while doing staff payroll. Grade settings. If you want the student report card to show grades instead of marks, then you can define the marks range to grade mapping here. Fee category. If you give discounts for any special categories in your school, then define those categories here, like concession, backward class, disability, etc. Student school iCard setting. Here you can upload the images to be shown on the front side and back side of the iCard. Also upload principal's signature if you want it to be available on iCard. Here you can set late fees for the month day applicable for the student payment as per one-time fees or per day late fees. Bank details. Here you can add the bank details for the school, specifying the amount for the bank and account type available for the school. Click on Exam Type. Here you can add the exam type and exam name for the school examination. Institute Mapping. This is to map your data from offline to your school on schoolmagica.com. These settings are already done when School Magica is installed for your school. You do not need to make any changes here. Then click on Backup. Here you can take the backup of your data regularly and save it on another PC or on an external hard drive. Also, you can sync the data from offline to online and vice versa. Then click on Users. Here you can select the roles for the users and set the username and password for offline access. You can assign permissions for each roles and set the pop-up reminders as per the roles assigned to the trainer, accountant, and the counselor. Thanks for watching School Magica offline configuration settings for the school. Please contact us on below mentioned details for any queries.